Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning or good afternoon to all of you. So, as for today, I would like to cover our new subchapter 4.1, which is the circle. 4.2 ellipse and 4.3 parabola will be covered during your lecture. Okay, as for circle here, there are too many learning objectives. So, for the first part here, okay, I only need to emphasize for you all how do you try to convert or transform from standard equation into general equation of circle. Okay, I really hope that you already watched the video and refer to your notes and already did a bit revision from this subchapter. Okay, as you already know that if you have a circle like this, and that is a center here, right? HK, and then the radius is R here. So the standard equation of circle here is given by x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square, where r is a radius and hk is the center, represent point of x, k represent point of y. Okay, the next one here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to transform from standard equation to general equation, or from general equation into standard equation. Okay, from this one, okay, from this note, from standard equation to general equation is very easy because you need to do what? Expand. Okay, you need to expand. Simple. And then from general equation to standard equation, you need to do completing square. Okay, so we show you later from this equation. Okay, next. Okay, after you know how to convert or transform from standard equation to general equation, or from general equation to standard equation, you also need to know how to identify the center. Okay, from this one, the center and radius. Okay, you have to know how to identify or find the center and radius from the given standard equation or general equation. Okay, so here it gives you x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 4. Okay, before that, you need to know the standard equation. So this is standard equation, and general equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is a general equation, and these two equations will be given. And you need to know, you need to differentiate between standard equation and general equation. Okay, since it gives you x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 4. So this one is not standard equation, neither nor general equation. Okay, but as you can see, that one is looks similar to general equation. So we need to modify this equation become x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, before we begin to solve this question, okay, you need to know how to relate between standard and general equation. Okay, previously I already mentioned that from standard equation into general equation, you need to expand. And then from general equation to standard equation, you need to do completing square. It's very easy, right? Next here, you also need to know, okay, from a general equation, how to identify your center and radius. Okay, same goes to standard equation. So how? Standard equation, I already mentioned here earlier that HK here, okay, from this one, H and K will represent our center. So our center here is HK. Why? This one is our radius and this one is radius. So you need to compare with standard equation, and then you will find your center and radius. I will show you later. But from this one, okay, by using general equation, okay, when we try to relate with this standard equation, you have to know that your center HK here is equal to center negative G negative K. So that means HK here is equal to negative G negative K. So this is how you relate between HK and GK. Next, how about the radius? So the radius here is square root of G square plus F square minus C. And this will be given during your exam. So this formula will be given. So please do not worry too much lah. Okay, so and then here, okay, when you are given this general equation, okay, this is the general equation, then you need to compare with general equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So from this one, we know that negative 2 here, you will compare with 2g, y plus 4 here, we will compare it with 2f, and negative 4 here with plus c. Simple, right? So this one would be negative 2 equal to 2g, and it gives you g equal to negative 1. Next, okay, 4 is equal to 2f, and it gives us 4 is equal to 2 last negative 4 is equal to c. Simple. Okay, so from this one, when we relate with this relationship here between general equation and standard equation, we will know that our center here, center is HK, right, which is equal to negative G negative F. So from this one, we will know that our center negative G negative negative will be 1, negative 1, and then negative F. F here is a 2, so our center here is a negative 2. So HK, our center is a 1, negative 2. How about the radius? So the radius here, we use this formula. So R equal to square root G is a negative 1 bracket square plus F. F is 2 bracket square minus 4. And then here will be R equal to set 9, which is equal to 3. So the radius is equal to 3. Simple, right? Okay, so from this one, you need to know how to compare. And then you have to know how to identify or find your radius and center. Okay, next. From general equation here, so if the question is asking for you to express in terms of standard equation, so what you're going to do? You need to do completing the square. Okay? So since you have this general equation, first we have to set according to variable. For example, here will be x square bracket x square plus, minus 2x, and then plus another one is a y square plus 4y bracket, and then equal to, okay, there is a constant minus 4 here, put on the right side will be 4. And then here, we will do completing square at the first term here for x here. So put bracket, and then big bracket square minus small bracket square. And then plus, okay, this one, another terms here will be what? Okay, also same. So it will be big bracket square minus small bracket square. Bracket, and then 4. So here, as you can see, our x here, x square, and then coefficient of x here is a minus 2. So try to manipulate this one. So it will be x, and then minus 2 here, we need to divide by 2. So it will be negative 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Simple, right? Okay, next, this one will be y, and then its coefficient of y here is a plus 4. So plus 4 divided by 2 will be equal to what? Plus 2. Okay, put like this. And then here will be what? X minus 1 bracket square minus, okay, minus bracket negative 1 bracket square will be minus 1 plus y plus 2 bracket square minus this one will be equal to 4, and then x minus 1 bracket square plus y plus 2 bracket square equal to 4 plus 1 will be 9. And then when you compare with a standard equation, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to r square, you will get hk is 1, -2, and r square equal to 9 gives us r equal to 3, simple, right? So this is how you try to relate between general equation and standard equation. So this is basic thing you have to know. Our first learning objective before we move to another learning outcome, and then we will discuss later. So after this, you need to do 2 exercise and then submit through Google Form, and then we will continue on a second learning objective. Thank you.